It's National Airplane Day. So I come over here and hang out today. Well, I like a lot of flavors. There's wingless airplanes like these kinds. There is even swoops that actually glide along the air. And my favorite by design named Crying Wolf, which has set my record for flight.
So Rickson has been a paper airplane fan. He's 9. He's been doing this since early 18. We found out it was Paper Airplane Day. We were looking for events in the area. We're from Austin. We saw this existed, so we drove down today just to be part of it.